Story 13. A dervish wanted something, and a man told him that a certain individual possessed untold wealth, who, if he were made aware of his want, would not consider it proper to fail in supplying it forthwith. The dervish answering that he had no acquaintance with him, the man proposed to show him the house, and when the dervish entered, he caught sight of a person with hanging lips and sitting morosely. He returned immediately, and being asked what he had done, replied, I excused him for making me a present when I saw his face. Carry not thy necessity to a sour-faced fellow, because his ill humor will crush thy hopes. If thou confidest thy heart's grief, tell it to one whose face will comfort thee like ready cash. And yeah, if something's wrong, be careful who you relate it to. Of course, there's wrong been done, and that needs to be addressed, to the authorities or whatever. That's a different story. But that's not as cut and dry as just the statement, right?